Hi, for today's Canva quick tip, I wanted to show you how you can create bold text when there isn't the option there on Canva. And there are quite a few fonts that don't have a bold option. You can get around this by having a Canva Pro or Teams account and uploading the bold version, which I've done for one of mine, which was Century Gothic Bold. But there's an easy way of doing it as well, which means you don't need to have a Canva Pro or Teams account. Let's go over to my screen and take a look. So I've got a very simple, plain Instagram box here, and I'm just going to create some bold text. I'm going to click on text, and I'm going to add a subheading. Now, this subheading, which is one of my brand fonts, is called Architect's Daughter. And I know that doesn't have, as you can see, a bold option with it. Let's go and add Be Your Own Graphic Designer to here. I'm going to make it a lot larger so we can see it easily. And then just let me put it in the center. And as I said, you can see there's no bold option, so I'm going to have to create one. And it's really very easy to do. Let's click on Effects, and you simply go to Outline. Click on that, and now I have an outline around it. But obviously I don't want it in this grey color, so I need to click on that. And if I click to black, which Canva has very helpfully told me is the document color, I can make it bold. And then I can adjust the thickness as well. I can make it less thick. That looks like a standard bold. Or I can make it very thick. But now I've lost a lot of the definition, so I need to take it back down again. About 50 is probably the right place for this particular font if I want to still have the E legible. So that's how easy it is to do. Now, of course, the next thing I might want to do is change the color of my font. Click on Font Color, and I want to change it to my Be Your Own Graphic Designer blue. Click on that. Asking me to change all, so I'm going to change all. But it doesn't change the outline as well. I need to go back into Effects, click on this, and again, helpfully told me what the document color is, or I can go to my Brand Hub and click on that, and I now have it in my Be Your Own Graphic Designer blue and my Architect's Daughter font, but bold. A very simple trick, and I hope that helps, and I'll see you next week.